Neural pathways slowly opening. The laser is working. For a moment, everything looks right. Then N7 detects something unexpected. The brain is reacting, but not the way it should. Pressure building, neural activity spiking. Too much, too fast. N7 runs the numbers. Continuing the treatment could cause more damage. Stopping means leaving him trapped forever. Aris looks at the data, then looks away. He thinks about the scar, 20 years old. He thinks about the hands on the beach. He thinks about the words he never said. N7 waits, silent, still. The decision belongs to Aris, only Aris. He turns back. We continue. The brain responds, slowly, then stronger. One pathway, then another. The darkness is retreating. Whatever happens next, they face it together.